All right, well, I'm here with Pastor Steve Gladen. Steve, I see you have everybody here together. What's going on?
Hey guys, always love it when I can jump in with the network and kind of get an inside peek of my house here. But we have 20 campuses here at Saddleback Church, and we have all the small group people here, and we're doing a little vision setting for what we're doing in the new year. Just going off 1 Corinthians 13:5 for our theme verse for the year, and just talking about health. And we've just gone through a fun time together with a wild elephant party, but then we got to, and it's bad. But anyways, going through some vision casting, and then after lunch we're gonna, kind of take it one step deeper onto what we need to do in this first quarter. So just love you guys getting capturing the moment inside here. So see you later, guys.
So music forever. I was in corporate high tech for 20 years, so a little bit nerdy. So I wanted to talk about what one thing really good
Small Group Network! Woo! Some of you might know this guy from the Small Group Network. This is Matt Graybill. What's up, man?
Hey guys.
Can you say hi to the Network in a very nice way?
Hello, Small Group Network.
Well, that was good.
Hello.
All right, we also have here with us the infamous Jay Cranda, the online groups guy.